Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Hello, everyone. Can you hear me? Just to make sure. Okay, that's amazing. How are you guys? How is your morning? Hello, hello. Happy Friday, guys. Oh, well, that's amazing, guys. Insistent price action today. I hope so. It's going to be good. Let's see how it goes. So seems like yesterday on daily chart we got moved from external to internal, and right now we're moving towards external range liquidity, which is previous day high level. So previous day high level taken on yes, but I don't really mind to see previous day high on NQ. Good morning, guys. So right now we have first barrier for price to go higher, which is 15-minute breaker block right here. Truly believe if it's going to break above this level, should go right here. Only above 15-minute breaker block, I would like to see quick delivery to previous day high level. It's going to be fast, I believe so. So far, I'm going to highlight this 15-minute breaker block right here. We're trying to respect this 15-minute breaker block, and that's it. So it seems like we inside market, I'm not going to lie, it seems like we inside market maker. Buy model right now on 15-minute chart. So let's see how it goes. My eyes on external range liquidity, which is previous day high level, but we really need to break above, I truly believe, we need to break above 15-minute breaker block to bounce. Trying to respect so far. Guys, what is your bias? 54% said it's bullish. I mean, yeah, no one is going to argue with this. It's bullish. Last 2 months, I would say. So we're still trying to respect 15-minute breaker block on both yes and Q. 4 minutes left. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Where's daily open? Daily open 396, which is right below New York midnight open. So yeah, below daily open should drop below lunch sell side liquidity from yesterday. So in my humble opinion, if they want to, like, I cannot say like I'm extremely bullish or bearish for today. I like my week is okay on high time frame inside consolidation seems like. So and I still consider weekly profile as consolidation. And at this point, hard to say if it's bullish or bearish, like overall, right? But no, yes, made a new high of the week and Q failed. So for yes, I can add TJF indicator, which is going to highlight 20% of weekly range, just right below lunch sell side. And at this point, if it wants to respect 15-minute breaker block, there is chance to see this. To see TJF on yes. We don't have TJF on NQ though. As I said, I don't really have bias. I cannot say like I'm bearish. I cannot say I'm bullish. Weekly profile right now is consolidation. So I can be wrong. Just cannot say for sure if it's really bullish or bearish right now. On daily, seems like we have external range liquidity, which is previous day high level. But for NQ, you need to break above 15 and break your block first to bounce above this level, like this. Okay, waiting for market open. 2 minutes left. Trying to break above 15-minute breaker block. At this point, if it's going to be a strong break, we will see immediate delivery to previous day high level. But market still, it's still not 9:30, so crazy. We got some news. Trump speaking right now. What happened? I don't know. So look at ES. ES did nothing so far. So NQ looks into what? What? Look at ES. Crazy, right? So let's see if we get strong break above this level to see quick delivery to previous day high. Because as you can see, trends weak. So far, we got sweep, but I cannot see like strong break. Okay, 1 minute left on this candle. Let's see. Where's my phone? So nothing is going on so far. I cannot see like we got strong break above breaker block. Not really. Look at ES. ES not ready to go up, seems like. We just did trace to breaker block and that's it. Oh, you're hello, Michael. You're on buy stops. Yeah. So you decided to create SMC between ES and NQ to offer TJF on ES? What is your plan? Share with us. Well, guys, market is open. Strong SMT. Michael ran this buy stabs to offer SMT. 360. London low, I would say, yeah, doesn't look bad. But also, I don't really mind to see like lunch sell side at this point. Let's see if we get first presented fair value gap first. Strong SMT. Seems like we got 30-minute sweep. Feels like makes sense to wait for first presented fair value gap. Yeah, I like key level lunch sell side from yesterday. Yeah, let's see. London low, yeah. London low, like first key sell side. Let's wait for first presented fair value gap. We still don't have any. Or it's just going to be straight move down. TJF for ES right below lunch sell side inside floor fair value gap. So yes, it makes sense. Lunch sell side, yeah, from yesterday, 3 p.m. Low. 3 p.m. low. So we got 1 minute breaker block. We got reclaimed fair value gap. We got reclaimed fair value gap over here. We got the closure, no detest of breaker, no detest of reclaimed fair value gap yet. Talking about the plan, maybe like if it wants to retrace to OT, I expect first, we don't have first presented, we have reclaimed fair value gap. Only at this point, we actually can try to short. So 9:30 a.m. is not first presented fair value gap. Seems like still above daily open, yes, close to daily open. What's the price? 35. Yeah, New York midnight open. So this range right here between daily open and New York midnight open will be nice to see. Because seems like yes, we want to take daily open. We also got 1 minute order block, reclaimed fair value gap, breaker block. So I will try to just pull projection rate, not projection like OT tracement, to see what will happen. Maybe they trace back to premium. Then we will react accordingly from this level. What it wants to do from premium. That's the question. That's a question. 3 p.m. lunch. Yeah, it's like not lunch. Let's rename to p.m. My bad. Let's rename to p.m. sell side liquidity. Sorry, guys. It's not lunch. Never mind. p.m. sell side. My brain works slow today. So a bit stuck right now. Let me delete from here. Good morning, guys. Good morning. In Spanish. I wish I could speak Spanish, but one day. Oh, Spanish lessons today? Yeah, TJF. So this blue box on yes is TJF box. We don't have TJF on NQ, but seems like we can get TJIT. So I have indicator for this. Created this on my own. And where is my... So pink box right here, right below PM sell side. So if I want to consider 20% of weekly range based on Thursday high, so we'll stay with this pink box. So right now, trying to retrace to breaker block, retraced. Yesterday I was trying to trade PM session and I got stopped on Apex in personal accounts, and I tried to short again. I got a win on personal, but did not touch funded accounts anymore. So I was right yesterday on funded accounts. Again, so seems like I trade my personal account better than funded accounts recently. Annoying, right? So I'm going to show you what I took yesterday. It was 2-minute chart. I deleted probably already. Just annoying. Where is PM? What's the day today? May 16, yeah. My first short was right here. I entered short right here with stop. Right here, 22 points. Then I entered short right here and got a win. So I lost 20 points on Apex accounts and Apex funded accounts and personal. And I got 98 points on personal accounts. So, I mean, no complaints about win, but a bit annoying. So we're trying to dispute breaker block on a yes. Unfortunately, this breaker block was inside discount, but I guess it's not a big deal. Trying to displace right now from this level. We have London low, but I don't really mind to see PM sell side liquidity at this point. Let's see if yes may displace. We still don't have first presented fair value gap. That inversion you took wasn't after. Yeah, I mean, I already expect to get dropped back to previous day high level yesterday, and at that moment in real time, it seemed like good entry. I mean, in hindsight, maybe not, but in real time, it was like, okay, worth to try. I tried, got stopped. Okay. I mean, no complaints about loss. Loss is loss. Just annoying. I just was early, but I hope I decided to give it another try. Yeah, I mean, I lost 22 points or something like this, but since I expect to see this drop, I enter it again. I mean, okay, that's okay. I was wrong, but at least I tried again. I didn't give up. So ES just touched daily open in Q, struggling, but really need to break a little bit below New York midnight open, test daily open. And let's see how it goes. Yeah, people. By the way, yesterday I was visiting Brian stream, and people also was complaining about AM session, and I was like, so people trying to hate me, not only me, lots of different traders who trying to stay away from trading AM session because they don't trade AM session. And I mean, of course, on demo I could take lots of trades, but I'm not on demo. So I'm not going to take trades simply because I need to take something in front of people. I'm not here to blow my account and show you how you need to blow your account. If you want to find gamblers, you can find another channel for this. At least for me, consolidation, it's hard for me to trade consolidation. I know based on my journal, on my losses, I lost in consolidation 99% of the time. Should I try to trade this? No. I know I can wait for a better opportunity to enter the trade. If it's not going to present something, I mean, well, okay, I will try again next time. It just, like, I don't just still cannot understand these people. Do we have first presented fair value gap? Small one? Still no. We don't have any fair value gaps on 1 minute chart on ES right after 9:30 a.m. I don't stress, so I just surprised. It's on hate not only for me, but I saw lots of people hate other traders who said like I did not trade AM session. I mean, that's fine. Because guys, just quick check. Quick check. Oops, not like this. Just tell me right now. What is better to trade? This one or classic setup right here? What is better to trade? Once again, this one or this one? In my opinion, it's worth to wait for obvious price action to enter the trade. So, and hating people who decided to stay away from this range is crazy. I mean, I'm not saying it's not tradable because it's tradable, but not everyone can trade this range, right? So, hate from nowhere, once again. Yeah, PM was absolutely classic sell off. Absolutely no questions about this, and that's it. So, then profit. By the way, yesterday you got absolutely amazing short. I saw you shorted from breaker block, right? To 50-minute fair value gap. I remember you shorted. Yeah, it was great trade. Me too. Yeah, where did it close? 15-minute fair value gap? 340, I believe. I closed there. Oh, it is low. Okay, yeah, that's fine. I was looking for a conservative target. I guess you closed like 20 points lower. I don't trade I do trade gold pre-market and almost never trade a gold for PM session or lunch, but pre-market pretty much often. It was for our trade. Yeah, that's amazing, right? It was absolutely obvious setup yesterday for short. Gold, not ESNQ. Well, let's focus right now. So we got first presented fair value gap on ES. We just got retest of this first presented fair value gap. We invert first presented fair value gap on NQ. Both touch daily open, and below daily open we have room to go lower. I believe 2 p.m. sell side liquidity. Because if we may expect first presented fair value gap right now on ES with displacement, with displacement like this, so it must be like big candle right now, at least attempt to displace lower. It should go to not right here, below Asia low. Let's see if may displace at this point. From first presented fair value gap. So we got inversion. It's not inversion, by the way. It's like reclaimed right now. So we got like inversion, then we reclaim this fair value gap. Right now it seems tricky. By the way, today I will try to execute on trader weight, and you will use TradingView for this with prop firm. Not a ninja trader, but on trader weight and TradingView. I know lots of complaints about this, but I will try. It's not one account, so maybe it's going to be good. Full person? Nope, I'm not going to full port today. So New York midnight open taken. We cannot displace from first presented fair value gap yet. So I did not connect Apex today. So I did not open in trader today. Only going to trade on trader weight. So let's focus right now. A bit tricky. Do we have any news at 9:40? Did we have any news at 9:45? No, but we have high impact news at 10, so 14 minutes left. We have a 10, yeah, I got it. Let's see if my displays from first presented, because if no displacement, it's going to be extremely bullish sign again. Retracement back to premium. Maybe the test of reclaimed fair value gap there. So a bit tricky first presented fair value gap. I would not say it's obvious right now how we want to respect this level. I hope to get AM session trade, so that I need to trade PM at this point. So both trying to respect daily open. Interesting reaction. CJF, yeah, this is what I was looking for. CJF, this blue box right below PM sell side on ES, based on today's new high of the week and based on first day high of the week on NQ, we have 20% of weekly range right below PM sell side. So that's why I was looking for a sell side, but current weekly profile is consolidation profile. So I cannot say like we got, I know, like Wednesday reversal, like further consolidation reversal profile. Not really, right? So pretty much consolidation overall. You bearish? I was talking about weekly profile. So hello. Oh, they can continue. Yeah, let's do this. Just not for now. What is weekly profile? I would say consolidation profile so far. Overall weekly profile from what I see. Overall, yes, we can say it's trying to respect order block, but the problem is overall consolidation inside this. And inside this consolidation, we have order block. So we got inversion fair value gap, which was first presented. Cannot call like this inversion because it's hard to say what kind of fair value gap it is first presented. 950 macro, so yeah. Just want to be patient right now. Once again, I hate how we start every single IM session. Oh, that's mosquito. Help. Where's the step? Oh, we got potential 20-minute liquidity sweep. Obviously, don't have any order blocks yet. And again, seems like seek and destroy. My favorite profile recently. So I still don't have 5-minute order block. It was searching for running. Yeah. I hate it because I was able to hear the sound. And of course, it's going to bite me. News in 8 minutes. We're still trying to respect breaker block on both ES and Q. I mean, I can include volume balance. I guess it's not a big deal, right? We inverted and reclaimed this fair value gap twice. With volume balance or without volume balance. Addicted Kempler. What? Yeah, I'm not surprised to see him session anymore like this. I agree with you. Cutting grass time. Oh, you were trading gold before, so on the order blocks. Did you try to backtest 10 a.m. or, for example, try to trade 8 p.m. power of 3 based on hourly? Yeah, with volume. I mean, nothing wrong with this. Yeah, volume include volume balance. I would like to see, honestly, below London low. I would like to see PM sell side. But isn't how it looks right now. On gold, kind of bearish for me. Honestly, we got 2 a.m. liquidity sweep for our sweep. And right now we're inside 30-minute bearish fair value gap as well as hourly bearish fair value gap on gold. Really watching how we can close with this 30-minute candle, if it's going to be sweep or not. So you long on gold or short gold? I would say kind of hard for me to long this as long as we're holding a bearish hourly fair value gap. I would say. I just don't really mind to see inversion at least for long. No, I'm just overall. At least something on gold. Inversion of hourly fair value gap. 15-minute fair value gap. Something. Shorting gold? I would say you need to wait for the closure of 30-minute candle to get at least something, or you're shorting NQ right now. Oh, NQ, okay. I see nothing so far. We just stuck at, as you can see, we cannot break first presented fair value gap right now. We inverted this first presented right here. If it's going to move up, that's amazing. I'm waiting for how 30-minute candle is going to close at this point. I'm not going to argue. I mean, of course, gold can pump right now. I'm not looking on lower time frame to look for entry or something like this. Exactly. So 10 a.m. open, high, low, close, silver bullet, CJF. I agree with you, but be serious right now about short. Because in my opinion, if it wants to drop, it already did that. It did not. Reason how it's trying to respect fair value gap right here makes me feel like it wants to pump slightly higher. Look at ES. EX looks way bullish, more bullish than NQ. Cannot say like NQ looks extremely bullish right now, honestly. Yes, news at 10. That's why I'm waiting. Then I'm gonna drop. We will see. Totally possible, by the way. Absolutely possible. NQ just did trace to 3-minute order block. Right here. Let me, by the way, not going to include this week, huge week. 3-minute OB based on 30-minute liquidity sweep. As you can see, we got 30-minute liquidity sweep. And with this candle, we did trace back to 3-minute order block. Yeah, NQ looks more bearish. ES looks more bullish. What should I do with this information? You know, I was thinking maybe it's so choppy because I stream this. I'm kidding, but I'm sure if I'm not going to stream, for example, on Monday or Tuesday, it's going to be amazing price action. But if I'm going to come back on Tuesday, it's going to be like this. I'm kidding, guys. Just It's not coincident anymore. Just nothing surprised me anymore. ES retraced back to previous day high level. We already broke above breaker block. As I said, ES looks more bullish than NQ. Interesting to see, like, 40, let me see, 41% bullish, 42% bearish. So it's like, no one sure what kind of bias it is. So we could use like chart strategy. If, for example, 70% bullish, we could short, or 70% bearish, we could long. But right now, 41 versus 42, hard to use chart strategy at this point. We have SMT, we're still inside 3-minute order block, right? I stopped looking for logic, honestly. So if it wants to go up, it will go up. If it wants to go down, it will drop. News came out. Still trying to respect 3-minute order block. Kind of slow. I mean, a nice 10 a.m. open. We got pretty much flat candle. We got immediate drop, as you can see on 30-minute and our, I mean, every single time frame had this flat candle. We got the closure below first presented for Volga for the first time. But on a yes, it's still trying to respect inversion. Early SMT between YM and NQ. I expect to see like a bit more from news at 10 than just retracing back to discount. Where is 9:30 a.m.? Oh, from 9:30 a.m. inside consolidation. So basically last 30 minutes consolidation. Immediate rebalance. We don't have immediate rebalance on ES. You speak French? Nope. As I said, absolutely nothing happened. Crazy, right? So we got flat candle. Probably they want to break above 10 a.m. open to cover this flat candle. For our immediate rebalance, you know, so hard to call this like immediate rebalance. I was talking about 1 minute immediate rebalance. It's a bit more obvious. I see this. Imagine like full port short to the sell side liquidity and retrace them back up to your entry. Hello, trading drawdown. How are you? Can you contact me? Yeah, of course. Or I guess better like social media, but it's up to you. Why can we have one clean AM session? Trust me, for some people, it's perfect AM session, just not for everyone. Yesterday PM session was amazing, in my humble opinion. I'm not sure it's Friday if it's going to be amazing price action as well during PM session. But when I am consolidating, normally launch expansion. After consolidation, what comes? Expansion. Consolidation, expansion, retracement, reversal, or consolidation, expansion, consolidation, expansion. Yeah, yesterday PM session was one of the best price action for the last 2 weeks, in my opinion. In my opinion, the most obvious one. Let's call like this. So, the classic rule: consolidation, expansion, retracement, reversal, or consolidation, expansion, consolidation, expansion, retracement, reversal. You have to consider OnlyFans. I mean, for boys. PM was straight range? What do you mean? PM session was absolutely brilliant yesterday. But anyway, for this brilliant PM session, I got one loss on funded accounts and personal account, and one win on personal. So I'm right on funded accounts. So we have strong SMT right now. I cannot call like strong SMT, but we do have SMT right now. Need to create order block. Trying to drop. We got order block on ES. So if it's going to hold this order block and not break above 50%, should try to take London low, I believe. But only looking on ES, and Q doesn't look obvious. Yeah, exactly. So when we have OPEX there, so it's usually 'Pretty much nothing happened since market open. You ready to hate me for not trading? Go for it. Lots of people said like short this. Lots of people said long this. Guys, if you're going to short, let me know if you shorted from premium, because most of the time when we have range, people short from discount, stepping out in premium, they long in premium, stepping out in discount. So far, market opened right there. See what is going on? Nothing. I'm not going to chase this. I just know, based on my losses, not 100, 99% of the time, my losses inside consolidation. 99% of the time. Two-minute, yeah. Yesterday, actually, 2-minute setup happened. But once again, we really need to get like, for 2-minute setup, we need to understand height of frame trend. What kind of height of frame trend right now? Can you see this? It's not really, it's not really bullish. It's not really bearish right now to frame setup. And we're simply trying to trade near 10 a.m. open. So it's hard to say if I want to long based on this idea or not. Last 4 AM sessions was like this. Painful. Barcode. I just checked 5-minute short. It looks so nice. I didn't just notice this. Such a beautiful chart. Let me scan this. But yes, looks not that bad. Most likely we'll get expansion during lunch or PM, but since it's Friday, I cannot guarantee like it's going to be expansion, honestly. I just don't understand why every single AM session starts like this. Yesterday, 2 days ago, again today. Dasha, meditate, calm down, it's okay. You can try to trade PM session. Meditate. Yes, I will show you guys a couple of trades from based on 2-minute setup idea yesterday. Since it was 10 a.m. consolidation, setup was presented at 11 and at the beginning of PM session. So I just added notes to my journal how I want to backtest 2-minute setup. And I added like when we have 10 a.m. consolidation, 11 a.m. will offer idea to long or short. I will show you today. Just maybe makes sense to see it a bit more. Maybe TJF on ES. I don't mind. TJF right below PM sell side. The question is if we trade this. Oh my god. So added to my notes yesterday. Idea is if it's idea is when we have 10 a.m. consolidation, look for 11 power of 3, hourly power of 3. So at this point, just going to add to my journal and note for backtest when 10 a.m. is consolidating, stay away, try to trade 11. So basically, we don't want to trade time distortion. And on Monday or Tuesday, we got a loss based on this idea. So we were trying to short inside consolidation. So and 11 a.m. when we got loss, I don't remember it was Tuesday or when Monday offered 2-minute setup. Right now, we're still trying to hold SMC at these highs. We're still trying to hold 1-minute order block. Absolutely ugly. Looks more bearish on NQ still, I would say. To go to this pink box. But yesterday also looked nice to short, and how this ended up being move up. TJF on ES right below PM sell side as well. So PM sell side looks nice. The question is if we get this. It's struggling, definitely. Definitely struggling so far. Okay, guys, right now I'm going to post the link for giveaway. So you need to fill the form. Give me 1 second. Guys, here's the link for the form to enter giveaway. I will send this many times in case you're going to ask me where is the link. And I'm going to pin this right now. So fill this form to enter giveaway, guys. If you can, please do this. And good luck. Where's the link? Are you serious? What the hell? Yeah, we got a couple of SMTs right now. See how we're trying to respect first presented on ES? I mean, yeah, we look like we got a break below, but we closed above. So today I'm going to give away Funded Next Futures account. If you did not watch my video about review of this prop firm, you can watch this. So I do trade with them. That's why I would like to give away. So here's a link for review. So watch this before you want to get this, but I like it. So I sent the link for prop firm review. You can watch this, guys. That's Funded Next Futures. And I wish you good luck, everyone. I hope you can get account. Yeah, let's see. NQ scam. Any trades yet? You tell me. If you got any setups, that's 1 minute chart, by the way, inside this consolidation. How do you enter, guys? Can you see the pinned message in the chat? Just at the top of chat. It says like Lumi Traders form, Google form. So click at this link and fill the form. Simple. Good luck. Not sure. I mean, I want to be honest, guys. I already could stopped if I wanted to trade this. Today I'm going to execute on TradeAway on TradingView. If you can see any setups, you will see executions on TradingView. Not going to trade Apex accounts today at all. Only a TradeAway. So don't ask me if I got any trades, because you will see on chart on TradingView if I got any trades. Nothing to hide. Decided to try to trade funded accounts on TradingView. I saw lots of complaints. Not going to say I never traded. I guess I never traded funded accounts on TradingView. But let's see. TradingView name, Lumi Traders. I never. Why? That's a great question. I saw lots of bad reviews about this, like slippage, delayed execution. So let's try. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to give away Funded Next today, but my Funded Futures has no trading showdown. Is market giving bad energy and disgusting vibes? I'm here right now to support you. We can have some fun simply because last 3 weeks, once again, you can hate me for this. Every single IM session looks like this. My 90% trades were taken in PM session because consolidation leads to expansion later. Yes. Your email in the form must be the same as you created with your Funded Next Futures account email. Also, guys, if you can journal, based on your journal normally, what day you have more losses? Based on my journal, most losses inside consolidation and on Friday. Why? I don't know. But for some magical reason, this happens with me most of the time. Painful. Yeah, just put all executions on TradeZella, and they said like I was like, Friday, something wrong with Friday, because most of my losses must get here. I found you. Oh yeah. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. No one is going to distract us anymore. So my eye icon on external range liquidity, which is previously high level. I'm quite intrigued. I hope you're kidding, but it was funny message. Long and Q. It's consolidation. I would say let's see if we may break above 50% of the $3 million block. So far, we're trying to respect. And at this point, agree with you, we can try to long this. Yeah. Trying to respect min threshold so far. What is your OnlyFans? That's my plan B, so not realized yet. Guys, for giveaway, you can see pinned message in the chat. Just bring your eyes up. You will see a pinned message. Fill the form to enter giveaway. Just if you just joined, you can do this. And good luck. Yeah, I said before, NQ looks more bearish. ES looks more bullish. Yeah, PM probably will offer something because right now she's giving you chart pictures on OnlyFans. By the way, that's a great idea. What do you think about this, guys? We have a new business. Pin the giveaway link. I pinned already, so. Crypto, I don't know. So it's not a scam because my funded next futures came from Forex. Basically, they had big background in CFD. So I'm not sure about website, but they became active because they added futures. So my problem with eyes called like, let me remember. Give me 1 second. Amblyopia or something like this. So my left eye cannot see anything, like anything. I believe it was called something like amblyopia. If I pronounce this wrong, I'm so sorry, but something like this. I cannot see at all. So for example, if I don't know, like here's small text on my paper. So if I'm going to just close my right eye, I mean, it's like, like blur screen. I cannot see. I mean, I can see the picture, but I cannot read anything. I cannot see any numbers, letters. Like, how old are you? Old enough. Just hard to explain this. Like paralyzed. My doctor said like my nerve cannot like give a signal to brain, so that's why it cannot see. Something like this. Old enough to have 2 kids, yes. She's 20. Thank you. I wish I could be 20, but my oldest son is 6. So 20 minus 6, 14. I mean, possible. Like, possible, but not really. She's 27. Yeah. $65. Yep, thank you. And keep trying to dispute order block and fair value gap so far. Yes, still looks more bullish, so need to push. My birthday in July, by the way. Yours in August, so close to mine. When I will have birthday, we'll do big giveaway, huge giveaway as well, to celebrate my birthday. July 12th, July 8th, mine. Yeah, exactly. When brain does not receive signal, what my doctor said exactly the same. Okay, guys, if you just joined, we have pinned message in the chat to enter giveaway. I wish you good luck to enter giveaway. And win this giveaway. Yeah, I cannot see with my left eye at all. So the doctor said like try to use glasses to protect your right eye. Since market open, absolutely nothing happened. What is going on? Since when? From my viewers. But doctor said if my parents figure this out at the right time before I turned 4 or 5, I don't remember, it could be fixed. But I'm old already, so nothing is going to help me. You think it's accumulation? Yes, it is. Yeah, I have to. I have to raise boys. I like this dropper so far. Not serious what? So it actually it can drop. My nail looks nice, thank you. No, just create an account with funded next futures. You don't need to buy anything, just create account. London low, preferable to see PM sell side from yesterday, but struggling. It really cannot drop for some magical reason. Yes, I was looking for TJF, exactly. Hard to participate in giveaway. See pinned message in the chat. Click on this link, fill the form, and you're done. Just create account, nothing more. You need to have account with funded next futures. Trying to drop right now. Let's see if it wants to drop to PM sell side or just going to reverse again back to premium. I got lost on Tuesday or Monday on stream. I was trying to short. I was trying to short for the last 3 weeks. So seems like we got low resistance to downside, but we also got trend line. If ES can break this trend line, should drop all the way down to also down to PM. I believe so. To offer TJF, we have SMT. We don't have order block yet. Yeah, and Q looks more bearish. ES for some reason trying to support bullish trends. Just let's see. TJF, it's only what makes sense. So yes, trying to support this trend line. Expansion candle, not really expansion candle, but if it traded to drop, it will be breakaway gap. If it's going to test this fair value gap, probably it's going to be in range again. This patent trend line on yes. Take longs. You know, if it's going to trace back to the range, it will feel so scammy. Scam price action. But my concern pretty much they invalidated shorts and long already many times today. Which is a bit like tricky. Sorry guys. Let's see. So I'm not saying it's not going to work, just if it's going to retrace back to the range, it's going to be crazy. Just crazy. Yes, needs to break this trend line. At this point we can drop. Because we got small trend line on NQ. Cannot see like it was significant, honestly. But we broke this level. It's gonna back up again. Yesterday this happened. So we're praying for your short. Yeah, TJF right below PM sell side. Yes, trying to break this trend line at this point can actually go to TGF. See how we were holding 50% of 3-minute order block? Yes, struggling with breaking trend line. Oh my god. Oh my god. What's wrong with this? Now it's just looks like you new to on my streams. I use trend lines all the time. I just can call this low resistance if you want. Inside first presented fair value gap on ES. Do giveaway. I already post the link for giveaway, guys. To enter giveaway, just click the link. I can call this low resistance if you want. No, I'm not going to use any strategies. I'm just trying to see what will happen inside consolidation because pretty much bearish on NQ and struggling on ES. Yeah, for TJF, it will be nice to see, honestly. Close to London low, but once again, like to see break below London low, ideally. Raise 20%. 20% remains lower. We still have room to go lower to TJF. We never got TJF yet. The shiver. I mean, no, but I traded on Tuesday. Executed on stream. Guys, once I'm trade, you will see this on TradingView because I connected TradeWeight account today. I just did not trade. I am session for the long time. Not on the 2-minute time frame. You need to close below first present fair value gap, I believe, to go lower. To enter giveaway, click the link, pinned message in the chat. Just bring your eyes up, click this link, and fill the form. That's it. That's it. Yeah, yes, struggling. But in Q displacing, so I hope yes also can go lower. The problem for yes, it's pretty much balanced chart right here. London low taken. Let's see if PM can be taken. Previous day low level. I'm not going to talk about previous day low level. All I'm looking for is PM sell side. Doesn't make sense to trade in Q looking for a yes to offer something. The problem for a yes did absolutely nothing so far. Yeah, we got it. I go London low. I would like to see PM sell side, but probably will try to trade ES because ES still struggling. Cannot find good setup honestly yet. Haha, Michael. Yeah, Michael said we are going to go to London low once market opened. He was right. He was right. London low taken on yes. Let's see if we take PM sell side and PM sell side right there. Oh, interesting. 1 minute chart. Actually, we got fair value gap after we broke below this level right here, which offered 2 minute order block. This is what we got. So let's see if we get TJF for possible reaction from there. Trend line works. Sometimes. Sometimes yes. Sometimes not. So Asia low taken on Q failed to be taken on a yes. So the question if it's going to be SMT or not, but TJF remains lower. Yeah, two fair value gaps on 1 minute chart. Yeah, CC called London low long time ago. I guess once market opened, he said we will go there. Guys, if you just joined, don't forget to enter giveaway. Don't forget to enter giveaway. Yes, it's just a 2 minute fair value gap. The question if it's wants to leave this TJF for maybe Monday, or will respect this fair value gap? That's the question, main question. In Q 1 minute order block, I cannot see. You mean bullish? Not yet. So I had 2 minute fair value gaps. Let's see if main inverses. At this point, they will support SMT. So as you can see, pretty much SMT, so solid SMT so far. Good displacement, solid displacement. On ES, trying to invert 2 minute fair value gap because we already inverted this on NQ. We also got 3 minute bullish order block just now, like 30 seconds ago. 20 seconds left on this 2 minute candle. Let's see if it wants to be inversion. It doesn't want to be inversion. Bitcoin, I mean, let's see if we invert 2 minute fair value gap on ES as well. So no closure above this high to offer market structure shift yet. Just tip of this flat candle on ES. We test the first presented fair value gap. Yeah, I also wanted to see PM sell side. We don't have market structure shift to upside yet. Highlighted 1 minute breaker block. Small fair value gap on 1 minute chart. We just chased to 1 minute fair value gap on ES as well. Because I'm thinking if it wants to displace right now and offer market structure shift, just offer market maker buy model. We got the closure. Break above New York midnight open. So we got bullish, pretty much bullish sign already. Full port longs. So it's based in OT so far. Hard to trade this though. On 5-minute chart, we inverted small 5-minute fair value gap. The question if it wants to be power of 3, We have 5-minute order block, which it made it test. Internal sell side, buy side right here. My only concern did not over TJF, which was expected. That's only concern. That's why I'm like, kind of hard to say I would like to long because not really. Yeah, 2-minute order blocking right there. Swept sell side on 1-minute chart. Easier to see this. We got 1-minute inversion. We don't have, yeah, I mean, hard to call this SMT. Guys, if you just joined, you can enter giveaway. Seems like retracement. Maybe idea will be if it wants to close below this sell side, short down to PM sell side below this level. What do you think about this? Only below this level. Oh, another SMT. I will be interested in shorts if it wants to offer order block. Give a link, ping message, guys, in the chat. Really need to have order block to confirm reversal. Otherwise, no reason to even chase this move down. Yeah, guys, it's 11. Let's see. How's this New York midnight open? I don't need this anymore. With order block, with OB only. Yeah, without order block, absolutely no reason to even chase shorts. On 15-minute, we got the tracement to 15-minute fair value gap, small 15-minute fair value gap. We don't have any on ES. He cannot break this equal high so far, as well as he cannot take this buy side. Minor sweep. Yeah, you know, like last 3 weeks, I'm looking for short, and every single level that I was looking for short, never taken. Never taken. It simply runs internal liquidity levels and reverses. It's just crazy, personally, for me. Equal highs taken. We have SMT right now between ES and NQ. I'm going to switch order block, potential order block, to this one. No order block yet. Simply running internal small sell side and trying to continue with higher. We got volume imbalance and flat candle, so still above volume imbalance. You got 1 minute inversion. No order block yet. SPX trying to respect imminent breaker block. Seems like. ES as well. Also 5-minute breaker block on ES. Let's see if it wants to create order block. Struggling right now, so don't really like this. 15-minute trying to respect 15-minute small fair value gap, bearish fair value gap. So still no order block annoying. Still nothing for me. Waiting for order block to confirm potential retracement lower. I want CCJ after day. Still bullish, so don't want to touch this. Only with order block formation. Otherwise, it will make zero sense to short. Now to support SMT makes sense to offer order block. It's okay, 2-minute chart. One more SMT. Yes, doesn't want to drop at all. About to start giveaway, guys. No, like long time no see him. Yeah. When you saw him last time, like 6 months ago. You see pin message in the chat to enter giveaway. Still trying to hold this OT. More than that. Yeah. Just make an order block. We are going to start giveaway in like 5-10 minutes. Inside OT on both ES and Q, SPX still trying to respect breaker block on 2-minute chart. Well, we have order block. We don't have this on ES, but we do have this one in Q. Okay. Actually, we have it on both ES and Q. Let's see how we can respect that level. Seems like low resistance to downside. Supporting SMT, I see. We got one more SMT. I'm not in rush right now, so still kind of hard market. For me. Lots of SMT at lows. Okay, let's do giveaway, so it feels like not worth it. Guys, 1 more minute to enter giveaway. I will try to trade PM session as I did yesterday. One more minute to enter giveaway while I'm picking random measure. Random number generator. Okay, from 2. Next. So guys, that's it. Not going to accept people anymore. So we have 5. Okay, going to announce winners. So our last winner is Our last person who entered giveaway 508. So from 2 to 508, we are going to generate. I'm going to give away 4 accounts. First one is 84. Okay. Here's 84. First one. Again, numbers. How I love it. Next one. 187. Let me mark him as a winner. 187. Winner is... Feels like I already saw his name before. Good job, congratulations. Third one is 140. Congratulations. And winner is... Last one is... Okay, let me mark him as a winner. 312. 312 is... That's it. I will send you email with your accounts. Today or tomorrow. Do we have winner in the chat? It's a scam. Congratulations, guys. For this month, I will do Take Profit Trader. Lots of accounts for Take Profit Trader and for my fund of futures. So what do you think about this? You won second time? You serious? You're so lucky because I never won in my life. Nothing. So I will do my funded futures and Take Profit Trader giveaways this month. Lots of giveaways of these accounts. Next week. So next week. 312. Oh, that's nice. You can see the future. You can see the future. You never win anything. Me too. Me too. I'm not like at all. So guys, next week, from starting next week, I will execute on TradingView. I don't know if you're going to like this or not. I'm going to execute TradeAwait accounts, and you will see my executions. This is what I decided to do. So nothing is going on so far. So why I decided to do this option with TradeAwait? Because lots of questions if I'm in or not. I was like, okay, I will simply will execute on chart. You can see executions, and probably you're not going to have any questions. So starting from next week, I will execute only on chart. I hope it's going to help you. So yeah, new TradeAwait account. Let's see how it goes. No, I hate to trade paper money accounts. Last time when I traded was long time ago. Not going to do this. I'm totally fine to try to execute funded accounts. So what was I talking about? I don't know. I don't mind to see lower, but who cares what I want to see? It's just choppy. Guys, I will see you on Monday. Once again, starting from next week, I only will try to execute on TradingView. Let's see how it goes, because I don't know because personal account is fine. Not sure how it's going to be with funded account. I hope it's going to be fine as well. So I'm going to deduce lots of questions about if I'm in or not. You're simply going to see labels, or how it calls, arrows with execution. So it will reduce questions, I guess, and easier, I guess, for me. I don't need to switch between Windows tabs to show you. Well, guys, I will see you on Monday. Full transparency. Finishing this week, right? On funded accounts. I finished last week, right, as well. It is what it is. It's okay. So just red and funded accounts for the last 2 weeks. Small red, but still red. That's fine. Yes. We'll come back on Monday with more backtests. Just need to start backtesting in 2025. Maybe I will find something interesting, because consolidation kind of hard to trade for me right now, but maybe I will find the way to trade this better. So just going to share red. 2 weeks in a row are red. That's it. Idea for PM? Honestly, no idea. try to full portion turtle soups to trade consolidation. So I need to, I saw lots of people trying to say try to trade turtle soup and consolidation. I need to backtest this. I will take a break right now. If I'm going to see something, I will set alerts and levels on my phone. If I can see something, I will try to trade, but crystal ball stop working. Starting with April, I guess it fell down and stopped working. By the way, it is. I need to try to find some tracks on this because something wrong with this. Nothing. Hey, wake up. I'm tired of this price action. The reality is red weeks. I'm on losing strike right now, as well as was on October. Literally, like almost every trade I took, it's a loss recently. Happy for me and good for me. It's really small losses, but still annoying. I did not blow any accounts at all. Because I know if I did price my action bet, I will trade with small size. So this loss is not going to hurt me, probably. Yeah, it's okay. So my loss is not more than $200, which is good for me. Not going to blow account. That's it. I will see you next time, guys. Bye-bye. So for giveaway next week, I will do my funded futures next week, and I will try to give away Take Profit Trader. If you want to get my funded futures accounts, be careful. Keep in mind, 30% offer expired plans ends on Sunday. So it's best deal for me. I'm going to get my funded futures accounts this weekend to trade and try to trade test strategy in real time. We'll try an evaluations and you'll get expired plans accounts with 30% off. If you want to get them as well, go for it. Have a great weekend, guys. Don't make stupid mistakes. Try to take only good and solid setups. Once I finish this team, probably it will go in my favor, but I don't know, like, who knows? Okay, guys, I wish you a perfect weekend. Bye, guys. If any questions, ask me on social media. Bye.